Hello my beautiful souls and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. So today we're going to be doing something fun. We're going to be doing something artistic that I hope you'll love because I'm excited. So let's go. So today we're going to be making a self-love jar. So basically a self-love jar can be a jar or a container of any kind that you may have around the house, or if you want you can go out and buy one. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking little pieces of paper and we're going to be writing positive things on these pieces of paper about ourselves. So they could be positive affirmations, they could be things that you're grateful for, they could be amazing memories that you've had in your past, they could be goals that you've accomplished that have meant so much to you, it could be goals in the future that you're working towards. What you write is completely up to you. But the main thing is that these pieces of paper, they sort of remind you of who you are. And when you read them, you feel good, you feel positive, and it kind of brings you back to yourself. So the point of this self-love jar is that, you can place it anywhere in your home, but preferably it's somewhere where you can see it every day. So whenever you're having a bad day, or maybe it just becomes a part of your daily ritual where you go into that jar, you pick out a piece of paper and you read it before you start your day. How beautiful would that be? It's just basically here to serve as a reminder for all the things that we are, good and positive. So I hope you'll join me. Let's get to making the jar. So I'll show you here some items that I found in a dollar store that I thought would be so fun to include in my self-love jar. So I've got some decorative gems here. This one's purple and silver. I've got some inspirational stones. I have a battery operated candle. And again, some more battery operated fairy lights. I have some purple diamonds, some clear rhinestones. I have some green sand. And I have some fun glitter of all different colors. To write our little notes on, I got just some bright construction paper that we can cut out. Or another fun thing that I found were these little message in a bottles at the dollar store. So the paper's already inside. All you gotta do is write your affirmation on it, put it in the bottle, and then stick it in the bottle. How cute is that? I have decided that I will be using this jar. Yay, gonna be fun. And I'm just basically gonna be putting these materials inside the jar. So here we go. Let's put some of this green sand. So it may get a little bit messy, but that's okay. Let's put some green sand in here. I think that will be enough for now. What's next? We've got some of these purple diamonds. So I will put some of these in here. Oh, it looks so pretty. So I actually love purple and green, so this is actually going well for me. We'll put some more. Then I have some of these rhinestones. So let's put some in. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. You know what? I have some decorative stones here. I have smile, I have sparkle, and I have shine. I'm gonna put sparkle in. So I have some purple glitter. Let's throw it in there. Woohoo! Then I'm gonna add some green glitter. Woo, look at that. I have just a warning. I have a feeling I'm going to go a little bit crazy, so bear with me. Some gold, silver. Woohoo, look at that. Some pretty little white silver. Ooh. Some blue. Oh. Some more purple. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I'm getting really excited about this. This is looking amazing. I love sparkles, so this looks phenomenal to me. Let's put a few butterflies in, because why not? Butterflies are beautiful. All right, so I have my little affirmations in a little jar, so I'm gonna add these. I've already written my affirmations down. I'll read you a couple of mine so you can get an idea of what maybe you can put in your jar. All right, so I have, I am enough. This is very important. I attract abundance into my life every day. This is a good one. And all you do is you fold it however you want and you toss it in the jar. I am loved. This one is very important too. I really like this one. I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. So we'll toss that one in as well. And this one I wrote, I love my laugh. Some people may be annoyed by it, but I love it. So toss it in there. And voila, we have created a self-love jar. Now you have your jar. You can keep it like this, or you can even shake it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shake it a little. Ooh, this is so much fun. I love it. We've decorated the inside of the jar. I thought it might be fun to also decorate the outside. And there you have it, your self-love jar. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. I hope you had fun. I clearly had a blast. And let me know what were some of the things that you wrote down for your self-love jar. I would love to hear. Wishing you all the best. Have an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye for now.